In the last episode, Wolffy tried to save Wolnie and secretly switched the dark ray wheel back into the luminous ray. But the goats had the same idea, and without knowing it, changed it back into emitting dark rays. Just then, Darton appeared with his guards and surrounded the goats. In such a desperate situation, what will Wesley Goat do to save them all? Will the goats be able to escape capture?
Pleasant Goat and Big Big Wolf, Great War in the Bizarre World, Episode 45.
If you catch Charlie, you'll get the free park pass for a year!
Let's go!
You're not supposed to fight each other!
Using an empty hot air balloon to distract them all? It seems like Wesley Goat's becoming much cleverer now, isn't he? It must be my great influence.
No way! Wesley Goat is so smart because he studied in goat school. Yucky, yucky!
I'm a prophet more important than you! So just shut up and be quiet!
Yucky!
Well, no more nonsense now. We need to think hard and carefully about what to do next.
So no ideas, huh? Let's just go back to Goat Village.
We're not out of ideas.
What? Do you have an idea?
It's a great idea. I think Mr. Slowy Goat should go back to the amusement park and fix the luminous ray. Yes, I guess in order to save this world, I will have to sacrifice myself.
No, Mr. Slowy. Darton will be prepared for sure.
Mr. Slowy, bad news!
Oh. Looks like they're already prepared.
They've completely sealed it. How will we get in?
Then let's not go in there.
So what? This is it? This is the end? He's gonna win?
I guess we'll just have to destroy the dark ray wheel.
I agree. So we can stop it being used on others, right?
What do you think, Timmy Goat?
All right, that's what we'll do then. Wait a second. The luminous ray's mine, and I haven't agreed.
Yeah, but it's Darton's now.
There's no other choice. I wish there was. Listen, Jolly. You made the luminous ray, so how do we destroy it?
Do we really have to do it? I'm gonna put a curse on all of you.
What are we gonna do now, guys? Even the flies can't get in there.
Don't you worry about it. I thought of something earlier.
Yeah, Wesley Goat's plan should work. Mr. Slowy, let me go in.
I'm the class president. I should go.
Yeah, but so what if you are? It's such an important task. So it should be handled by someone great, like me, the prophet. Come on, Mr. Slowy, tell them, aren't I right?
How about letting me handle this one?
Patty Goat.
Come on, Mr. Slowy, please. Let me show what I can do.
Whoa, wow, it's so rare that you're so courageous. Fine then, we'll let you handle it this time.
I promise I won't let you down. Yeah!
You dumb goat! We've been waiting a long time for you! Ha ha ha!
Mr. Slowy, I'm...
How can our perfect plan fail so miserably? I think it's because Patty Goat's just too dumb. Didn't you see? That's why the plan failed.
Mr. Slowy, please let us give it a try.
You three?
Yes, we're certain we can complete this mission.
Ha ha! We've got you now, little goat! Don't think you can hide from me!
Yeah, see, I told you. You have to send the greatest one out. And who would that be? That's me, of course. Mr. Slowy, you don't have to say another word.
What? We've got a spy?
Shh. Not so loud.
Oh, I don't believe it.
But come on, every time we go on our mission, Darton knows exactly where we are.
Well, maybe it's just a coincidence.
Yeah, once or twice maybe. But it happened every single time we went out. This is definitely a problem. Maybe it's him.
You think it's Patty Goat? Where's he going so late?
Yeah, that is the question. Huh?
So Patty Goat's really the spy?
It's only a suspicion. Right. Let's go back and think of something. Shh.
I always say snacking at night makes you sleep all right.
You what? Why should I go again? No, don't be so scared. We're only pretending that we're handing you over to Darton. It's just an act, okay? No way, I won't do it. Yeah.
When we're done, we'll give you a nice new suit, okay, Jolly?
Can you give it to me before I go?
Huh? Hey, wait! Aren't we going out with the rest of them?
Well, no.
Huh? But why not?
Let me tell you. Because we think there's a spy here.
Huh? A spy?
Tibby Goat, you're one of the most trustworthy people here. And that's why we can tell you the whole plan without worrying.
By sending Jolly to Darton, that's just a distraction. The real plan is for the three of us to go and destroy the Dark Ray Wheel.
And this way, only the three of us know the whole plan.
Yes, you're right. It's a good plan.
Hey, Tibby Goat, hurry up!
Yes, I'm coming!
She knows we're on a mission, so why is she taking so long?
Okay, I get it. That's a good plan. Huh. Jolly and those stupid goats! They'll not escape me this time!